We're going to the bins again, Mom.
Oh God, are we really?
No. That was really good though. Hello, kitty. All right. 2013. $1.49. Ooh, Taz, that'll be good. It's really.
That's for you.
Yeah. I don't know. That's weird. I guess they used to call coffee mud, right? Isn't that like a thing?
Oh yeah. Dilbert.
No, but yeah, we'll do it. It's $1.49 and 33% off, so might as well. Thank you. Alright, so we're gonna think about this, because this is $8 and they seem to be selling for about 20. So we'll have to we'll see how we do today and whether or not we decide to get that, because it's one of those things that if we find a bunch of other stuff, then it may not be worth it, but if we don't find anything, then it could be worth it. So we're just gonna see. So yeah, so we're gonna keep looking, see what we can find. I'm debating on even getting this, because this is like $7.99. They're selling for 20 to 25, but they're not like consistent. So do we really want to put it like? No, I'm not doing it. We'll just get that. All right, Mom. How do you think it went?
It's okay.
Yeah.
You know, you get what you get. Wasn't a t-shirt day.
It was definitely not a t-shirt day.
Definitely not a t-shirt day.
We did get 4 mugs.
Mugs
and
actually,
one plush.
have a better profit margin, so that's good.
Yeah, the only thing, I love selling mugs, but they do sit for a long time. They don't really just fly out the door. But we are in mug season, so hopefully that will help. We only spent a little under $13, so that's a bonus. And we still got one more thrift store up the road. Our local red, white, and blue thrift store, and this is a cash-only thrift store, which really does limit anything you do here, especially if you find something, you know, a lot of stuff. So we're gonna see what we can find, but they do have a good plush section, and we're running a whatnot auction on plush tonight, so maybe we'll get some things we can flip real quick. All right, we got a lemur, ring-tailed. Oh, look how smart we are. $2.99. It's not bad. Metro Planet, look at that. $3 so far. We need to keep track. A new Squishmallow Donkey. $8. Bars tags. Alright, so we got this Squishmallow, this Taz, and then we got the bag part. So there's some few Pokemon plush in here. This Squishmallow, I can see they only want $6 for it. Thrift stores are better for things than others. Okay, what do they want for this one? $4. And Angry Birds, Peppa, and another Squishmallow. Alright, we're gonna go with that. Ooh. $3.99, and we've sold a lot of Abby Cadabbies, so that's good. Good, good, good. We're gonna take it. So avocado plush. Is this a Free Willy plush? I think this is a Free Willy plush. $4. Alright, we've gone so far over our $50 mark. Another Adventure Planet monkey. Alright, we're going to stop for a second. We're going to look these up, and then we're going to see what we're going to put back and what we're going to keep. Just sorted through everything, and we had to put a couple things back. Free Willy was only going for like $9. This EV plush wasn't going well. We found some great t-shirts and we had to put those back, but I think the lump of what we found is going to sell, and it fit within our $40 budget. And this is the downside, and this is where places like this shoot themselves in the foot, because they could get a lot more money from us even though they pay the card fee. Oh man. All right, I don't want to throw a wrench in the works, but I just saw something really awesome. Hold on. Wait. So, excuse me, sorry. Because we would buy more. We buy so much more. It was a little cheaper, and they accepted credit cards. All right, let's go check out. We got a bunch of plush. We did the math, and it should be like $37.50. Hopefully the tax isn't too much, and we can get out of here. We'll go back and check out what we got. All right, so we got 2 bags worth of stuff. We ended up spending $35, so we got $5 in our pocket to go get lunch, and I think we're gonna at least quadruple our money in there based on the sold prices that we saw. So last night we had our like 4th whatnot auction, and it actually went pretty well. And surprisingly, this entire bin is filled with stuff that we found in those little bags. So those little bags add up, and they're dirt cheap, $6 and $4. And what ended up happening, there was 25 plush in there total. We sold 9 of them last night for $3 a piece. So we made $27 after spending just 10, and there are still 16 plush left in that bag. Yeah, we'll see you next time. Thanks.